हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से हमारे चैनल पर। फॉर फ्यूचर अपडेट्स एंड फॉर फ्री प्रीमियम अकाउंट्स एंड एप्स, free Steam games and much more exclusive tips and tricks, join us on Discord and the link to that will be in the description below. Today we are going to show you how you can get unlimited cloud storage for free. So without any further ado, let's get started. So all you have to do is download this app called Unlim, free unlimited cloud storage for Android, and it is available on Play Store, so you can install it into your device very easily. Now all you have to do is log in with your Telegram account. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Fill in your desired password and give it the access to photos, medias and files into your phone. So this is what the app looks like. You can select your files, photos, documents, music or any type of file you want. It is a free unlimited cloud storage powered by Telegram. You can sync your photos, videos, documents, music and any type of files. All your data are secured and stored in Telegram, and you can also control your data on your Telegram saved messages. You can also opt for auto backup. All you have to do is select the folders, and anytime a new file is uploaded on that particular folder, they'll automatically be uploaded on cloud itself. And with this, we'll be wrapping up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video and comment down below what kind of videos you want us to make next. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to always stay updated.
Do you love me?